Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down the top tips to crack Python interview from basic concepts to advanced. So, problem solving is the key role in cracking a Python interview. So, if you are preparing for your first Python job or aiming to level up, this guide will help you impress every interviewer. Let's get started. So what interviewers are looking for from you? So when it comes to Python interviews, companies are not just checking your syntax, they are looking for strong problem solving skills, solid logical thinking and clean coding practices. So they also want to see how deeply you understand data and whether you can apply Python to real world scenarios also. So your goal is to show clarity, confidence and logical reasoning. So let's see some core Python concepts. To crack a Python interview, you must be strong in fundamentals. Understanding is important, like data types like strings, list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Master object-oriented programming, like in that classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. Be comfortable writing functions and handling parameters, and make sure you understand essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and even the basics of exception handling. So, as well as in Python, some interviewers will also accept the data science concepts also, because you have to deal with the data. So if your role involves data, accept questions on data science fundamentals. Interviewers may ask about exploratory data analysis, statistics and machine learning basics. So you should understand concepts like regression classification, model training and evaluation metrics. You don't need to be an expert in that, but knowing the fundamentals gives you a massive advantage. So let's see some coding round preparations tips, because it is a very crucial step in any job interview. So when you enter a coding round, first read the problem statement twice. Don't rush, understand every part of the question, then plan your logic. So think through how you will solve it step by step. Consider edge cases like empty inputs and data sets or incorrect formats. And always keep your code clean, structured, and readable. So remember, readable code is better than clever but confusing code. So if the interviewer asks about the project explanation, here you should do, if the interviewer asks how about your project, what you have done in your project, so follow a clear structure. Start with the problem, what challenge were you solving, then explain your approach, your logic, and why you choose it. So list the tools and technologies used, for example Python, Pandas, SQL, Scikit-learn, or anything else. Next, say the results and the impact, what improved, what changed. So this framework shows that you think like a real developer. So let's see some common interview questions. In any interview, you will face questions like, what is the difference between list and tuple? So how does pandas handle missing data? What is broadcasting in NumPy? And explain supervised versus unsupervised learning. How do you optimize SQL queries? So prepare your answers with examples. That's what makes you stand out. So, and finally, stay calm, stay confident, and practice consistently. Interviews reward preparation. If you put in the effort, you will crack your Python interview. Thank you for watching. If you found this tip helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what interview topic you want next. See you in the next video. Thank you.